You're stuck. Oh no. Fucking hell. Who put that there?
Well, we're the first ones back here.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
It was questionable down there, but it seems alright now.
Last time we went through there.
And it didn't work,
I
dude.
don't know how far we can go up.
Is this around the same area where we stopped, I think?
This is where Matt broke his belt drive up there.
We went down to the right, Keaton, and then we went up, and then we ended up turning around. So maybe we.
That's what I feel like we tried that way, so that's why I'm kind of thinking we might have to.
Might have to stay up higher. I don't know.
What do you think of that shit?
That's fun.
Yeah,
That was pretty fun.
I love that. I don't know. That's like my favorite thing.
Shit underneath though.
Huh?
I'm hitting a lot of stuff.
Yeah, just keep your skis off the ground.
Well, no, the track.
Oh yeah, probably that. Yeah. Try to unpacking a path down. We couldn't make it up and over in that location. I don't know, it's getting worse. I'm kind of in a pickle. Alright, them guys were able to get up and out. I gotta keep going this way. I cut out that tree right there. Hoping I can hop over this one. I don't know, I'm just gonna try to get going until I can see it clear. It's the plan. See how the plan works. want to go this way? 1, 2, 3. Whew. Hell yeah. What do you think?
Out in the opening. That is fucking radical, man. That's what I want right
Yeah.
there. And it's just fucking just
You gotta,
dance. Fucking love it.
yeah.
To get it on that tail and you just lean and fucking.
You guys left me unsupervised for too long. I don't even know what happened. What happened? Fucking broke my helmet. I went airborne. I don't know what happened. I'm fucking hurting. I got in 2 crashes. But anytime you were gone, I smoked. You know that tree we were jumping? Oh, I don't even know what happened. That stuff was a lot stronger than I thought it was. Oh yeah, you can see it from here, yeah. Hit that one too, that sent me flying.